Do you design, build, or expand modular data centers? Here's why you should consider using Roxtec modular-based penetration seals to protect all your modular enclosures, from factory to field. Secure your external power generators. Roxtec seals are certified for use in steel structures and insulated sandwich panels. They are adaptable and openable to enable modularity and scalability. Roxtec sealing solutions provide certified multi-hazard protection. The Roxtec Flame Plus can even ensure fire protection without any need for fire insulation. You save space and optimize cleanliness. With Roxtec high cable density solutions, you simply seal multiple cables and pipes in a single opening. They efficiently protect against fire, smoke, gas, water, dust, and rodents, and exist in versions for preventing electromagnetic interference. Roxtec pipe seals are ideal for sealing pipes in different sizes from external cooling or heating equipment. These solutions offer plug-and-play installations, also in challenging locations. So, use Roxtec to protect your enclosed equipment during transport and on-site, and standardize across all projects and geographies to save time, secure compliance, and accelerate deployment. Learn more on roxtec.com/modular data centers.